So it's 10:10 in the morning, and we are done with our morning safari, and now heading back to the resort. Unfortunately, in the morning safari today, we neither saw a tiger nor much of animals. Saw some lovely birds. I guess that's what it is, right? You can't have an agenda when you visit a jungle. Of course, you have desire, but you have to live with what the jungle has to offer. So that's the rule of the jungle.
Lunchtime on day 3. Today is the last day. Tomorrow we are pushing off. And 2 baboons are hogging like crazy. I'm done with it. I'm on the sweet tooth. But looks like the turns never ends for these 2. Chicken, fish, paneer, nothing stops. This goes on and on.
We have all my favorite dishes today.
Okay. Beautiful song on the background. And yeah, the hogging goes on.
Okay. Angel going through the hanging bridge. No, Papa. I am not going through that damn bridge. So this hanging bridge connects this the reception and the office side of the property to the residential side of the property. And this is how our furry baby reacts when we take her through this bridge. It's hilarious and endearing. I shouldn't laugh. I react the same way. So Tadoba is not only about safaris. There are also other things that you can do while you are at Tadoba. We are right now off to visit Irai Reservoir and see if we can do some boating. It's 3:15 now. We got a bit late. We just took a bit of more time to have our lunch. Last 2 days have been pretty hectic for the safaris. So it's 60 kilometers from here. Let's see if we can reach there on time and can do a bit of boating.
Chandrapur is renowned for coal minery. It has a huge coal mine. CHP, I'll have to check out which company this is, but huge coal mine, and hence we are cutting through that coal mining district or industrial area. You will now see we are crossing a railway crossing. So coal is transported in railway wagons. Oh, the rail line is gone. Okay, it's taken out. It's no more there, but I think they have heavy machinery moving through this one. That's why it is actually level crossed. Anyways, big industry, and that's what Chandrapur is known for.
Okay, I can see Samrat making some payment, taking a receipt. Let's find out what happened. Yes, please explain what just happened.
There is a charge of 100 rupees
100 rupees.
per
For?
car. They took all the details because this is also the tiger zone. Actually, we are going through a tiger zone. Dada, gate खोलना पड़ेगा थोड़ा. So
Everywhere in Tadoba is a tiger zone.
Before 10 o'clock, you will have to come out.
10 o'clock.
This is also a safari zone.
Okay.
Okay, so and this is actually the buffer zone. So we are going to buffer zone. Like we did the safari, this morning. There was buffer zone. This is also buffer zone. So you can actually get to see tiger here. क्या?
हम लोग सफारी में हमको
So
struggle
but
to
then,
see tiger.
they took down the details.
Okay.
Which car, from where are you coming, what is the car number, how many people are there, why are you going, all the details they took. They were good, well behaved. Okay. And then I asked, okay, is there a specific timing by which I have to return? They said yes. I thought, oh my god, I'll probably not be able to make, and they said 10 p.m. I said, okay, fine.
Yeah, I was a bit worried because I saw a notice board outside that gate which says we are closed from 6 p.m. in the evening to 8 a.m. in the morning. And the reason I was worried is because we don't know, right? As per Google, it seems we will be reaching there by 4:20 or 4:30, and it's 4 right now. And if we get a chance to do boating and all of that, I don't know about what time we'll be back here. So 6 p.m. was cutting it too close. So yeah, good to know that it's still 10 p.m. Okay.
Bus stop.
This is a bus stop. Passing through a village, and we saw a very interesting bus stop. Simple living, high thinking.
Might be simple thinking also.
Yeah, just saying. They don't have to stress over deadlines,
No, they have in their own way. Their deadlines are different.
meetings. So we reached the boating place or boating spot, and the good news is that we can do boating with Angel. So that's what we decided. We actually checked it out before bringing Angel here, because while we were taking safaris we had to keep her in the room. So glad that we are able to get her over here, breathe some fresh air, do a bit of boating. This will be her real boating experience. She did a bit of boating with us in Kerala, but that was probably a prelude to this. Let me see how she reacts to this. This door is open. Can you please close it? Okay, thank you. So we will let you know about the charges and all those details. First, let's get to the boat. So this is pretty much the place where you can book your tickets. Let me quickly show you the timing and the charges. Boating time is from 7 in the morning to 5:30 in the evening. And here you can see the charges against the time. For 30 minutes it is 1200, an hour 2000, 1 hour 30 minutes it is 3000. And the more time you spend, the deeper the dent is in your pocket. So we are opting for 30 minutes,
30 minutes.
which is a good enough time for us.
Yeah, 30 minutes is good time.
And this is the place where you can sit down and wait until the boat is allocated to you. I think the best part of this place is that they are allowing pets to take along with you. So that's the boat that we are going to ride, and you have to produce your PAN card also while getting the tickets. I forgot to mention that. We are right now putting our life jackets before getting into the boat. No life jacket for our furry baby because they don't have one.
She has a life jacket.
They don't have one.
She has a life jacket.
She is her own life jacket.
She is her own life jacket. She doesn't
She
need a
has
life
one. She has one.
jacket. अच्छा चलो, don't put her now.
And we see a beautiful temple.
हाँ, चल. टिकट किसके पास है?
Temple. Ticket is with me. Chalo.
चलो चलो.
So you step up, and then you step up on this bouncy floating track, and you walk towards your boat. Hope to see the sunset from the boat. Let me show you how Angel reacts to the boat. She is filled with anticipation. Okay.
Yeah, see.
She agreed to get inside, and now it's my turn.
Yeah,
Alright. I'm going to take the next seat so that every-
Sleep.
ये है स्लीप आपके पास ही रहेगा
Sit now.
हो गया
Sit beside me.
Alright.
जितना बोर्ड में कुत्ता उड़ा है नहीं ना फर्स्ट कुत्ता आए देखो फर्स्ट डॉग इन इराई लेक सफारी एंजल नो इराई बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड
Irai Book of World Records. And this is Angel's first proper boat ride safari.
Rohu Katla. So Rohu and Katla you get it here. Big Katla.
This is the captain of our boat. Aye, captain. Please look at your
No, we are going properly.
dashboard.
We are going properly. There's no need
Okay.
to put here.
16 किलोमीटर इतना बड़ा है ये रिजर्व
Look at the sky. So the Irai Reservoir Dam is another 15 kilometer from here, and we learned that this lake or this water body has been built 50 years back. भैया हमको दिखा रहे हैं ये लेक और कहानियाँ सुना रहे हैं. So every place has its story, and so does this place. And we are kind of soaking in the beauty that unfolds before us and the stories that build up this place. It's a beautiful moment, something that will stay with us for a long, long time. So this lake is the source of water for Chandrapur district, and also it provides water to the thermal powered plant, which is also in the Chandrapur district. So this was earlier, part of the village, but during monsoon this place gets completely immersed, and that's why it's not inhabited by anyone right now. And it looks like an island. It presents a good view, by the way, on the lake. Just look at the sky. The sun is playing hide and seek, and the reflection is in the on the water over there. And that's the end of our beautiful boat ride. That's the jetty.
That is also down.
Samrat flying drone. Prodigal son managing our furry baby. Sunset on the horizon. Birds flying back to their nests. And that's how we bring a closure to our beautiful evening at Tadoba today.
Why?
Done with our boat safari, heading back to the resort, putting our furry baby into the car, and then we'll be ready to head back. construction going. We saw this while going to Irai Lake. Now the problem is when we are trying to go back, they've almost blocked the road, as you can see over here, and this huge road roller, which is gigantic in size, it's almost blocked the road and there's no space for us to go. Samrat went down to check what has happened, so we'll get to know once he's back. So what did they say?
Now 10 minutes.
10 minutes? But why have they kept
They're making the road.
Yeah, but they should make way for people to pass, na? For cars, other vehicles to pass. Because there's no alternate road.
So they're unloading that entire stone chip, right? Or the entire mixture. And after they unload it, they will start pulling it through. So now I will have to go behind them.
No, it has to be more than 10 minutes. Our resort is 1.5 hour from here. And then there is one more lining behind. How is that?
Who lining you?
This
No,
one.
it will go.
No, but it will only go when they move, no? Then you line behind her, then you also, I think, queue up behind him. Otherwise, something else will come in between. So we are driving through the middle of the forest, and this is the code zone through which we are driving. If you can see the Google map, this entire stretch is green and this blue line is the road. So this is the core Mohalli zone through which this road is.
And look at the signages, road signages, bison crossing.
Yeah. We just saw a few minutes back a deer crossing the road. Couldn't capture it well. But we saw it, and it's pretty dense on both the sides. It's an amazing feeling. Can't describe it. You have got to experience this yourself. So going out of the core zone, that's the gate. I think it's still an hour until we reach our resort. So driving through Chandrapur in the evening, busy roads, and this reminds me of, I don't know, Aurangabad, some parts of Aurangabad, not all, isn't it? So spotted a tea shop. Actually we were able to spot few on the way, but by the time we realized it's a tea shop, we already passed that place. So anyway, spotted quite a decent shop. It says chai something in Marathi.
Face mat. I think that means cafe in Marathi.
Not sure, but it says chai, so we were able to make it that it says chai. So Samrat has gone to get 2 cups of tea, and then we will continue our journey towards our resort.
And it's a wrap for today. It was a day beautifully spent with family and in the lap of nature. Hope you enjoyed along with us and also got some idea on what you can do while you visit Tadoba. Good night from all of us. We are super tired because tomorrow we have to go back to Hyderabad. Take care, stay safe, keep exploring incredible India, keep traveling by road, take your pet wherever, whenever you can, and do subscribe us if you like our content. Take care, stay safe, bye-bye.